All right, this is the 1 month update on our food plots. We finally got some rain. Ground still's got a little bit of moisture in it, but you can really see, let me get you out of the shadow, you can really see the brassicas and the winter wheat and winter rye coming up. Should end up being a pretty good spot. This is kind of typical for down here. We get rain all summer, and then as soon as we're going to plant, it dries out. I'll take you over to the other one and we can look, but yeah, we're getting some pretty good growth in here. It's well behind where it should be at this point of the time, but you're kind of at the mercy of Mother Nature, and that's just kind of how deer hunting works sometimes. Here's the other food plot we planted about a month ago. Brassicas are coming up pretty good. Like I said, we're behind schedule because of the weather, but hopefully we can at least give the deer something to eat. Well, here's a deer track right here. There's another one. The other one looks better, but I think this one will be fine. We don't hunt this field very often. We're just trying to give the deer something to eat. But everything looks like it's working pretty good. The ground's still pretty soft, so we do have some moisture in it, but we're also not supposed to get rain again now for another 10 days, which it is what it is. So this is our, guess that's the food plot update for the end of September. I'll come out here and give you another one next time we're down.